Oh, welcome to my humble house. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have Sam with me today and we're gonna do a quick tour of my new house here, my humble house. We have 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 office and double garage house in Bathurst. So this is 200 kilometers far away from Sydney and it's a regional place. Very beautiful nature and nice weather today here. Hi Sam.
Hey, it's me, Sam.
How's it going?
Mate, I'm loving it. It's my, what is it, 10th day in Australia?
Yep.
13th day in Australia, yeah. And look at how good these houses are. You know, everything's like so nicely made and everything. Quite expensive though. How much is it?
Like, I think this house is worth like $700,000.
700,000 Australian dollars.
Yeah, but we pay rent $590 per week.
$590 per week,
Yeah,
and
it's not bad.
we're 3 hours away, drive away from Sydney. So it's not in Sydney, but we're like 3 hours out. So it's one of those nice suburbs. So here we go. Check out. This is the garage. Comfortably fit 2 cars in here. Look at this. We've even got the bit of a gym in here. Should we fly through here?
Hi guys, welcome back. So this is our entrance, main entrance. My flatmate Frat lives here. The first room is his room, and then this is the office. It's pretty big. Let's continue. So this is our main lounge here. So we have a kitchen, quite big. So we have a small storage here. So that's my fridge, and that's my buddy's Frat's fridge. We have a coffee machine here. We have a stove, rice cooker, air fryer, my smoothie maker, my kettle, my coffees and all. The best part of the house. So in this part I play my guitar. I have an ESP LTD EC10000 guitar. It's electric and quite expensive actually. But I got it second hand. I had a nice deal. So, and I have my amp Boss.
So I mean, the size of these rooms are just incredible. You know, I mean, you can see me walking around now. You know, you can literally run around here, and for the price of, you know, you got like in a lot of expensive houses in the UK, when you have a huge kitchen, you do have an island, and they have a huge island in the kitchen there that you see. And it's basically just lots and lots of space. I always thought that Australia's a bit more spaced out, you know, the population is dispersed more sparsely and everything. And you can kind of see it all the way to the houses.
And this is the half of the house. Actually, we have 2 more rooms over here and the laundry. So let's continue back here. Another storage.
More storage.
Yep. And we have the
Guest room.
Guest room. This is Sam's room actually at the moment. And welcome to my room. This is my like a gaming setup room. So I spend my most of the time here. I play games. I edit my videos. I have a nice PC set up here. My favorite games is Diablo 4, Call of Duty, League of Legends, and all like most of the MOBA and other strategy games. And we have a wardrobe here as well. Like, actually every room has their own wardrobe here. So it's quite big.
Right, okay, let's go and check out the bathroom now.
Yeah, let's go.
Separate toilet, which is always good. And then here, check it out. So we've got a shower big enough for 2 people to at the same time. We've got a really nice freestanding bathtub here. And then you got space for a sink, hidden under there is a washing machine.
Yeah, we have actually 2 washing machines in the house.
So yeah, this is a laundry room, or a utility room as we say in the UK.
Yeah. And finally, it's my room here. You wanna go in?
Yeah. So I mean, basically every room's got its own like double wardrobe. You know, loads of space everywhere. Everything's just done like to like a really high quality standard. There's no bits of, there's definitely no damp anywhere. There's no bits like the building regulation is pretty that's pretty high standards.
Yeah, this
Over
house
here in
actually
Australia,
like 2 or 3 years old.
So 2 or 3 years old house, so built in the year 2020 maybe?
Yeah, and it's worth 700k at the moment.
700k, yeah.
But if you compare this house with the Sydney prices, at least 2-3 million.
Yeah,
maybe.
2-3 million for like the same size of house, yeah.
So let's see the backyard.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey. So this is our backyard. We have a table and chairs here, 3 bar stools. So this is actually another couch. We got it like $200, but we haven't set it up. So we were just thinking to clean it or like just sell for like $300-400.
Say basically, like everything compared to the UK, everything feels about like 30% cheaper. So this house is like 700,000 Australian dollars. And
But at the moment, when it's built, it was like maybe 500k.
Yeah, and that's gone up a lot, and that's just in 3 years as well, 4 years.
So it's a nice investment actually.
Yeah, it is, yeah. And I'd say that this house in the UK, in this kind of like, you know, suburb kind of area, a bit away from the city centre, I'd say about £500,000 would be the price, which is about $1 million Aussie dollars. But over here it's 700,000. So as I said before, it's like everything feels about a third cheaper. Yeah. Okay, so over here in the background we've got something that we started to get in the UK. It's like a rainwater collection. So this huge tank here. Yeah, so it collects rainwater. What do we use that for?
So we use in the toilets and all when you flush.
Is it like grey water or brown water? Is that what you...
No, it's actually plain like a regular water.
Yeah.
But we don't drink.
Just for flushing.
And here as well.
Rainwater. Do not drink.
Yeah. So also you can use in the garden, like water the plants and all.
Yeah.
And that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching, guys. That was my first English video actually in the channel. So we will continue more videos with Sam. Actually, he's my travel buddy. We will go to Bali together in a couple of weeks. We will continue making videos. So he has also experience in the video, in the industry actually. So we will talk about that in the next videos.
The next one. Yeah.
So thanks for tuning in.
Yeah. Okay.
See ya.
All right. See you
Bye.
later. Bye.